Okay, so I want to show you something in an SD card, just to prove to everyone that this is true. An SD card has a limited number of read-write cycles. All right, now I'll show you. Here on the screen, you can see my computer screen. I've got a lot of stuff on my SD card here. All right, but right now, if I try and delete something, say I would just want to delete this. Okay, so I click, hit delete, delete, delete. Nothing happens. Okay, nothing happens. All right. Now, if I was to, for example, here I'll open Microsoft Word, say, all right, and then just type something. All right, and now I try to save it. Okay, file, save. All right, I'm going to save it to my SD card. Okay, and that's fine for the file name. Save. Save. You can't save here. Please choose another location. All right. Now, let me show you the SD card so you know what I'm talking about. This is the SD card I'm using. And as you can see, the read-write tab there is already set properly. It's not set to the lock position. All right. So it's set to the right position. Right? But when I try and delete any file or create a new file, it's telling me I can't do it. The reason for this is because these cards have a limited number of read-write cycles. After you pass that, or once you reach that, you cannot read or write to the card. Okay, so now you can, as you can see, all of the files on the card are now read-only. I can't write any new files to the card. I can't delete what's here, but I can still access all the data. So you didn't lose anything. But you can change the card back to a read-write status. What you need to do is, first you want to back up anything you want to save. So I've copied everything over to one of my hard drives. And now I'm ready. So what I'm going to do is format and just go. I still want to call it development. Let's see here. Yeah, development. Okay, there it is. Okay, I'm trying to film this with one hand. Start. Okay, format. Yes, and go. Okay, format. Format complete. Okay, so now if I were to open this again, have a look here, my development will be empty. Okay. Okay, now I formatted the card. So if I, for example, just to show you, if I go Microsoft Word and I just type something, okay, and I go File, Save, Save As, and I select my card. There. Now, before I do that, I just show you I've formatted the card, and you can see it's totally blank, right? No files in there now because I've just formatted it. Now, I can save to the card, no problem. See, it just saved, and if I open the card here, there's my file. So what I can do now, I'll delete that, and I'm just going to go to where I saved all of my files, and I'm just going to copy them all back to the card now. And it's done, and that resets the read-write cycles to 0, and then you can start reading and writing on the card again as if it was a new card.